Have you ever stood beneath the sky, watching as it turned a terrifying shade of gray, signaling a force so powerful it could obliterate everything in its path? This summer, Twisters, the heart-stopping sequel to the 1996 blockbuster Twister, returns to the big screen featuring a once-in-a-generation tornado outbreak. These aren't just any tornadoes, they're bigger, bolder, and more destructive, merging into mega-tornadoes that redefine catastrophe. In Twisters, nature's wrath escalates to levels unseen, testing the limits of human ingenuity and survival.